Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to another video. Today it's just going to do something really quick which could improve your Discovery too, so let me show you. Right, this is a standard Discovery 2 wiper arm and wiper. Now these wipers are specific to the Discovery 2, i.e. you have to buy a special wiper. Now these are the standard wipers you get in the old days. You can't fit the aero wipers to these arms, which is a real pain. And any time you need a new wiper, you have to go somewhere specific, because not everyone will sell one of these. And this one on my particular car, they are quite new, but they don't seem to hit the windscreen very well. I think the springs have gone. So a while ago I decided to upgrade. Now it's quite straightforward. All you need is one of these. Now this is a wiper arm of a Discovery 1, and as you can see it just has the standard what we call hook attachment for the wiper blade. So therefore you can fit the nice aero wipers which I have here. So here's one I did earlier. So I've gone for the Bosch Aero twin blades, and you can see they're nice and chunky and they give a lot better wipe. Now I've gone for the 21 inch. I did have 22 inches on there, but they just kind of hit the edge of the screen, so I've gone back to a 21. So these are dead easy to fit. Let me just quickly show you. Leave that there. So just take it out of the packet. Dead easy like that. Now these are quite, I've not had these before, they're a bit of a new design. So you just literally pinch the front and lift it up. Lift up the hatch. And the wiper itself, so make sure you get it around the right way, you can see the arm comes in this way. The arm comes in this way and hooks round there, tucks underneath. Okay? So just get the wiper arm, pass it through the hatch, and then all you do is make sure this bit, it's just the standard way of doing it, any wiper, apart from the Disco 2 obviously, is, let me show you. Just hook it in there, make sure it's in, then put it tight, and then this just locks in place, and then the wiper can't go anywhere. Right, to install this on the vehicle, you're going to need two tools. A flat blade screwdriver, just to get the cap off if you have the cap, and a 13mm socket with a little bit of an extension just to clear the bonnet. So let me show you how we do that. Just take your screwdriver underneath to remove the cap, like so. Cap comes off. 13mm socket. Simple as that. Just line up on the splines, roughly where you want it to go, a bit lower. There you go. push the cap on. Simple as that. Hope you liked the video, hope you found it useful. Please comment, like and think about subscribing. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.